Okay, I love this look, but I need to take it off. Oh, okay. Let's start by taking these things off. This is not a good way to do this. Owie. Trying to not stab myself in the eye with my nail. Ow. Oh, nice. The lash comes off too. And I'm gonna do a makeup print. I can't breathe. Ooh. Stop, it's actually kind of cute. There's a patch missing in the lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. Objectively, the worst thing about doing special effects makeup is the part where you have to take that makeup off. Because, you know, you spend so many hours in it and then you have to wash it off at the end of the day and you don't keep anything other than the picture. So, luckily, there's a solution which is called a makeup print, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm rubbing a makeup wipe on my face, and with this makeup print, I went through a roller coaster of emotions. When I first took the makeup wipe off, I really thought that the print did not look good, but then after a second glance, I thought it looked alright. I knew I could do better, and since I have a chest paint piece on, I don't know what I said, I did one for my chest as well, and now that one guys actually turned out really well. That one might be my favorite because you can actually see all the stitches. I'm still debating what to do with these prints. Maybe I'll throw them out, maybe I'll put them up on my wall, or maybe I'll sell them on OnlyFans. I'm not sure yet. Either way, I'm gonna go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to take this makeup off again. And since I'm wearing no prosthetics, it means that I have to do a makeup print. And all I really need to prep is to put my hair back and take my lashes off. If you don't know what makeup prints are, it's basically rubbing a makeup wipe on your face until it creates a print. And I'm opening a brand new pack of makeup wipes for this, so enjoy it. And this is the only ASMR you're gonna get for this video. Okay, that's enough. I can tell you missed my voice. These makeup wipes are really tiny, so I have to stretch them out to fit my face. And then you guessed it, I put it on my face and vigorously rub it in. Keep in mind while doing this, I can't see and I also can't breathe. So I'm really going off of my one sense that is left, which is touch. I think the hardest part here is to getting rid of all the wrinkles while also trying to get all of the uneven surfaces like eyes, nose, and mouth. The makeup wipe started falling off, so I had to listen. Removing it from my face, I was pretty satisfied. I think it captured a good amount of the things that were on my face. At this point, I was happy and tired, so I put the makeup wipe on the side to dry, and then I went shower. See you guys tomorrow.
Take off my makeup with me, Scary Pumpkin edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these drips out of latex. Oh. Ah. Ow. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. Take off my makeup with me. Gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, expression. Like, seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This is taking forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup, because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse. Because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. Alright, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I can't really breathe, see, or touch anything with my hands now. You know what they say, beauty is pain, except this is not beauty, so just pain? I am really happy with how this turned out, but I gotta take it off because I want to go shower. Let's start with the eyes. Oh, that feels so nice. I can bend my hands now. I tried washing it off, but it didn't help. Also, I'm sorry if I might be whispering, it's because it's midnight and everyone's asleep. It's not like I'll be able to fall asleep later anyways. And something tells me that neither will you. Anyways, let's take this off. Should I just go for the eye hole? Oh, it's really on my face. Ow, okay, wait. I do this literally every day. Come on, Valeria. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I guess that's one way to do it. The bald cap? Oh, my hair's covered in foundation. I'ma go shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, and how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, scary, toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those creepers? Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
I can't talk. I can't talk. Oh dear God. Ah. Oh, that's my earring. Cute, right? Boom. I look like a carved pumpkin right now. Perfect. Look at that. Yes. I'll be right back. Now my mom's asleep, so I can't talk loud, but I'm kind of glad she didn't see this because she would definitely send me to therapy. Yes. Oh, and by the way, I'll be posting a tutorial on this look soon, so look out for that. My skin can finally breathe.
Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, it's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.
Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. Ah! That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here. I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off! Woo! Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help.